everyone. We're the Barkers.
Good afternoon. And we're part of the Urban X family.
Yes. And listening to Black Dot and Malcolm's show, we heard about DJ the Money Coach, and we had our first consulting meeting last night with him. And let me just say, it went very well.
Spectacular.
Yes. I was pleased with all the information that we received. He helped us with giving us a snapshot of things that we could do immediately. And of course, we're going to be following up with him for more consulting meetings. But I encourage anyone who's interested in reaching financial goals that they're not doing on their own, or just wanting more information about all parts, whether that's debt freedom or investments or whatever your reasoning is, just to improve your financial picture, I would encourage you to reach out and definitely take advantage of the deal that DJ the Money Coach is offering.
I must say from the heart, very honestly, he's a very profound person in what he's putting forward in terms of information. Very transparent, and as well as his personal skills is at a very senior level, high level. He sets the bar. He doesn't come across as somebody trying to sell you a scam or trying to get over on you. He showed me certain things that convinced me to know that he's very revealing of himself personally.
And that's without seeing his webinar.
That's without seeing his webinar. Very convincing. I would encourage anyone who's interested in structuring their finances and getting it together on the real. I would encourage you to get with this guy because he seems like he knows his business. And trust me, his key word is discipline, your finances.
And accountability.
If you can adopt to those two words, then
you should be very successful.
Yeah, exactly.
But then it goes that you set financially.
Exactly.
So again, DJ the Money Coach, thank you for last night and giving us that information, and we look forward to working with you.
Yes, the same here. We look forward to working with you, and we will be following up on future videos to show our forward progress. Okay, because we do have future counseling that we will be furthering along our steps along the way.